guys, thank you for joining me again to the BeSheek YouTube channel. Never thought I'd be able to say I have my own YouTube channel, but yeah, to the BeSheek YouTube channel. Today we will be making, let's see here, we have a work order for Anklet 0066, which is our blue Calsilica butterfly anklet. It is a beautiful anklet. It's a little underrated. It doesn't get purchased as often as I'd like it to get purchased, but I think it's such a beautiful anklet. It actually has these real Calsilica stones in it, and they're like a denim blue color. They're absolutely gorgeous. You can see they're kind of like marbled in there, you see, and then the stones are faceted too. So in the light, it really just takes a really beautiful super shine to them. It also comes with some opalite here, and opalite is just a beautiful moonstone. It has that iridescent color that I really love. It has like this luster, like the moon. It just has this beautiful lunar beauty to it. And then it also features this beautiful, it's almost like a beetle blue. We call it luster blue, but it's like a beetle blue crystal rondelle. You see? Do you see it has a little purple hues, denim blue? It looks, this anklet looks fantastic with jeans. Just because the color of it, you know, it's a blue hue to it. And so when you wear it with a pair of jeans, it's great. So along with some of the standard, you know, silver tone balls, extender chain, jump rings, and daisies, the only other thing we're missing is our string. And if you've watched previous episodes, you'll know that I love using this black nylon coated string here. And the reason why I like using it is it gives an extra protection to the stainless steel wire that's on this, the stainless steel wire that it's coating. Black nylon is over stainless steel wire, and it gives added protection to the elements. So usually a lot of our customers love using these anklets out and about in great summer and spring weather, and it gives you a little extra protection to the elements. Okay, so let's go ahead and go right into our anklet. And according to our work order, we are using approximately 46 of these smaller crystals. Now, the design of the anklet, it features a lineup of anklets on of these crystals on one side, then our pattern with our hanging butterfly, and then these crystals again on the other side. And so if I'm counting the amount of crystals, it looks like we need 1, 2, 3, 6, about 20 of these crystals on each side. So first thing though is I don't like to start with a crystal. I'm just particular. I like to start with a silver ball and then I go into the crystals. Just my funky OCD, okay? You don't have to make it that way. It's just the way I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this 3mm silver ball, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get 20 of these crystals on. And I'm just gonna count these at 5 so it makes it easier for me so I don't lose track. 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 10. And then the pattern calls for a silver ball, and then we start going into our Calsilica beads. And in between the Calsilica beads we have a crystal. It's 2 Calsilica in between those 2 crystal, and then we have our opalite with a crystal and another Calsilica. And so now we've got 2 Calsilica, opalite, Calsilica, and right there is where we do our bail. So at this point we're at the halfway point, as you can see. So we just need to repeat this design on the other side. So let's go. Calsilica, crystal, opalite, crystal, Calsilica, crystal, Calsilica. And before I put a crystal, because I was getting in the mojo of it all, just want to make sure that, nope, it doesn't call for crystal, it calls for silver ball. And so now we have silver ball, we just need 20 of these smaller ones. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 15. So we just need 5 more to go. That's 20. And then we just end it with a silver ball. There we go. There's our pattern, so you can see. So now all that's left is tying them off. Print bead on. We need a lobster clasp, and as always, I like to check these clasps to make sure they're working. Do not give it any faulty clasps. We string that on, fold over the extra string, back bead the crimp bead through, leave a little gap, get the flat nose pliers, crimp down that bead, go ahead and bring back through some of the beads and string that excess string back through those beads to hide it. See? There you go. Now let's go ahead and do that with the other side. I like to leave about 3 inches of length before I cut it from the roll. Then let's go ahead and get our crimp bead. Let's get a split ring, aka mini keychain. Fold it over, push that end string back through 4 or 5 beads. You see? We pushed it through the beads. We're going to hold on to that end string there. We're going to get our round nose pliers and hold the string down by the base close to where the split ring is at and pull the excess string just like that and let it glide. And then get our flat nose pliers again, crimp down, crimp down. So putting on the ends of the anklet are sometimes the hardest things for beginners to work on. And I'll be honest, I had some difficulties when I was first learning, you know, but repetition, as they say, you become a pro after you've done about 18,000 of these. So my recommendation to you is going to be, look at my YouTube tutorials that talk about closing at the ends, okay? And just buy yourself a set of crimp beads, some string, some jump rings, and just practice. Just practice until it becomes easier. But I do provide a step-by-step tutorial that will help you with getting the kind of the mechanism, or I should say the form, getting the form down. And you'll be able to, in no time, with repetition, do it with your eyes shut. And so, yeah, please, if you're having difficulties with that, check out my other YouTube videos. And so at the end of this, I just needed to attach, after I attached my extender chain, just needed to attach my charm. And so there you have it, another anklet down for the book. And you can see it's a gorgeous denim blue. Let me see if I can make sure I get that charm there so you can see. Look at that blue, it just goes perfect with some jeans. It's so cute. It's great for summer. I mean, pair of sneakers. I mean, this thing looks incredible, and it really shines in the sun. So there you have it. Thank you guys for joining me again for another amazing tutorial of building our beautiful BeSheek blue Calsilica butterfly anklet. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We are building this community. And if you found this helpful, if there's anything particularly helpful in this video, please comment below. It really helps me. I love having interaction and communication with others. This anklet is available for sale at Amazon. It's available for sale on our own store, Shopify, Walmart, Zulily, Overstock, and Fair. So you have multiple avenues to purchase this anklet. If you are interested in building this anklet for yourself, please contact us because we do sell kits. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe.